Hi students, welcome once more to my channel. Thank you for selecting this video. In this video, we'll be looking at a problem related with reflection of light. I will show you some tips and tricks on how to solve this problem. Let's take a look at this question. A ray of light strikes a plane mirror Mn at an angle of incidence 40 degrees. It reflected from the plane mirror and strikes another plane mirror NO, placed at right angles to the first mirror. Find the angle of reflection at the second mirror. So here are the two mirrors. One is Mn and another is NO, kept at a degree, 90 degrees. That's perpendicular to each other. Here is the ray. Now we have to draw a normal from this point of incidence. That means perpendicular to Mn. And this normal and mirror NO are parallel. This angle is the angle of incidence for the mirror Mn. Then you can see that the ray reflects towards the second mirror, that's NO. So here is the angle of reflection, and from here we can draw a perpendicular like this. And this is the reflected ray from the second mirror, that's NO. This is the angle. Now again there are two angles. One is the angle of incidence for the mirror ON. This is the angle of incidence, and this is the angle of reflection for the mirror NO. So you studied the laws of reflection. Angle I is equal to angle R. So if that angle is 40 degree for the first mirror Mn, then angle of reflection is also 40 degrees. So we got two angles here, 40 angle and another is also 40 angles. I is equal to 40, R is equal to 40 for the first mirror Mn. Then we can consider the second mirror. These two angles, angle of incidence, angle of reflection. So we want to find that angle. Which one? The angle of reflection for our final answer. For that, we can look at these lines, two parallel lines. In mathematics, you studied that. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then the alternate interior angles formed are congruent. So here these are the alternate interior angles. These are same. These drawings are same. If you look at the left side, you can see that. And here one perpendicular. In place of that mirror Mn, I am drawing a perpendicular here. And also, you can find some angles here also. This since it is perpendicular, this angle is equal to 90. Then this angle also 90. Two angles are 90. So these two pictures are same, left and right. So this one angle is x. Then what's the other angle? These are complementary angles. So other angle is 90 minus x. So one angle is x and another is 90. Then you look at this picture. This angle is R40 and the down angle, that must be 40. Why? These are alternate interior angles. So we got one more angle. Which angle? This angle is equal to 40. So this angle is also 40. So we can mark that angle as 40. Then we want to find the angle of incidence for the second mirror. That also we know how to calculate that. That is 90 minus x. That's 90 minus 40. So angle of incidence for the second mirror is what? 90 minus 40, that is 50. So we are almost near to our answer. So this angle is 50 degrees. Now our final destination Our final destination is R. We know that I is equal to R. So this angle is equal to 50 degrees. So we came to the last conclusion that the angle of reflection at the second mirror is equal to 50 degrees. I hope you got a clear idea about this problem. You can do it again 1 or 2 times. Thank you for watching.